First, enter your email address and click Continue. Enter the OTP sent to your email. Enter your full name. For this demo, we'll use Ramesh Kumar. Now add your profession or designation. After that, enter your company or organization name. Next, add your mobile number so people can contact you instantly. Now enter your location or business address. Next, tell us about yourself by filling in your basic professional information. Choose a professional profile picture to give your profile a personal touch. Next, enter the services you offer so your clients know exactly how you can help them. Now connect your social media profiles. For this example, we're adding a WhatsApp number. And accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Click Confirm and continue to complete your profile.